Looks like I'm not selling my Whipple Supercharged Camaro because I figured out exactly what's causing the misfire and all these problems. Turns out that I have injector failure, the stock direct injection injector on cylinder number 6. That's causing the misfire for the obvious reason that the cylinder isn't getting the amount of fuel that it's supposed to at high RPM. Only the port injection that I installed is functional and is the only thing that's spraying. This is what the injector looks like, and mind you guys, I said it was a stock factory injector. I didn't touch these, I didn't even remove them because I went a separate route of doing port injection. So like I said, it wasn't my fault. There is literally no way I could have caused a mechanical failure of the injector. I didn't even touch the darn thing. Here's the bad news though. It's going to be quite a lot of work to replace the number 6 injector, which is literally right here. So you got to take the entire Whipple Supercharger off of the car. Always something with this guy is quite accurate because I'm going to have my hands full taking off this Whipple,